here in UPLB, University of the Philippines, Los Baños. This is in Laguna. And this is the Freedom Park where people enjoy the breeze, playing, picnics, walking, especially jogging, exercising, and family bonding.